Riding the high horse, a dive into expressive language. Hello, and welcome to our language learning journey. Today, we're exploring a fascinating English phrase, riding the high horse. This expression is a wonderful example of how language can paint vivid pictures to convey complex ideas. Let's saddle up and discover what it means to ride the high horse, its origins, and how to use it effectively in conversation. Riding the high horse is an idiom that means behaving arrogantly or haughtily. It describes someone who acts as if they are better than others, often showing disdain or a lack of respect for those around them. The key here is the imagery of being elevated, suggesting a position of superiority that the person assumes. The phrase dates back to medieval times, when high-ranking individuals would ride taller horses as a symbol of their status. Riding a larger horse not only made them more visible in public but also physically elevated them above the common folk. This historical practice ties directly to the idea of someone being overly proud or looking down on others. Using riding the high horse in conversation is a powerful way to convey criticism of someone's behavior without directly calling them arrogant. It's often used in a slightly formal or sarcastic tone. For example, "He's been riding the high horse ever since he got that promotion. I wish she would get off her high horse and listen to us for once." It's important to use this phrase judiciously, as it can be quite cutting and might not be suitable for every situation. Let's see how this idiom can be used in different contexts. In a workplace setting, describing a colleague who refuses to consider others' ideas. Among friends, when someone refuses to admit they are wrong or to participate in shared activities because they feel it's beneath them. In family dynamics, when a family member insists on making decisions without consulting others, believing their choices are always best. Riding the high horse is a vivid expression that adds color and depth to our language. It's a reminder of the importance of humility and the value of treating others with respect. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Happy learning, and remember, staying grounded is key to genuine connections. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.